Here we are, near GoPro, having a mess around. There's about 1,000 Landcruisers and patrols and stuff here. But I've got Frank here, and what Frank used to look like. So that's pretty cool, pretty cool. Have a walk around, have a look and see what's here. General Lee's here. There you go, another 80 series. We're lining them up. I think I've started something. So anyone who lives in Australia knows that the sun here is a real bastard, especially in summer. The other day, got the car registered, engineered, all that sort of stuff. Finally went out, drove it around for the weekend. It was bloody awesome. The weather was amazing. It was actually really hot. But that evening I was getting undressed to go to bed and my arm was like red. I had the full driver's arm and yeah, it was a bit of a mess. So thankfully I tan more than I do burn. But yeah, the one thing I wanted to do was to go in straight away and organise to get the thing tinted, and you know, bonus being there's less windows in it now, so it's a smaller job. But because everything else on the car I've aimed at making sure everything was legal, wanted to get legal tint in the car, so I've come here, and the ideal place for me to bring a Land Cruiser is to someone who loves Land Cruisers. So I'm at South Coast Window Tinting. This is 79 and his 40 series Troopy, which is super cool. So he's got mud all over it because he's been out driving it and doing it properly. But gonna head in, have a chat with the boys and see what's going on. They've done tons of cars around here. They've got a really good reputation. So let's check it out and get the thing tinted. Alright, here he is, the man himself.
How you going?
I don't think that's going to be enough, man.
I'm just testing what's legal to start with.
Alright, so tell me, who are you, and tell me a little bit about your business.
Anthony from South Coast Window Tinting. Been established for about 20 years, just over 20 years. In Lonsdale forever. But yeah, love it. What can I say?
No, you
It's
like
good.
Land Cruisers, hey?
I love Landcruisers. As you can tell, probably got a couple out the front at the moment. Yeah, I love Troopies more than anything, of course. As you can tell.
Well, you know you've come to the right place when there's 2 Land Cruisers parked out the front and then there's one on the wall as well. So, yeah.
Well, we're using a ceramic infrared film, so it's got a really high heat rejection. At the moment this is a 35%, it's testing up at 33. So, and this is a 40, so a little bit lighter. It's testing up at 35.
And what's the legal...
35% is darkest legal in SA on the 2 front windows.
And what about the back window? We can go darker on that.
Yeah, we'll try a 20% on it. If it tests up a little bit darker, we'll probably have to put a 35 on it to be legal.
Nice, and on the front windows 35.
Yep.
Yeah, okay, cool. Awesome. Look at that, all nicely protected and everything like that. No more burnt arms.
Yeah, 20 tests up 17 because you've got that factory tint in the glass already.
Okay.
So technically you can get defectors for that.
Yep.
So legally you'd have to put a 35 on it.
Yep.
Happy with that?
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, as long as it's legal, that's the main thing, you know.
Yep. Get away with it with some people, but not all. well if you want other sauce.
So you've done this before?
Done a few.
Yeah, one or two.
Done a few 80 series as well.
Yeah, nice.
I did own one for 14 years.
So what's the cure time kind of thing? The do not use your windows type of...
Can't, well, some people say 24 hours, but we recommend 48 hours if you can.
Yep.
Better be safe than sorry.
Yeah,
I mean, it generally takes, in your warranty it states about 30 days to dry, but
yep.
we do push it pretty hard. So most of it, you'll see most of it bubble up and dry within a few days.
Yep.
So it actually, yeah, it goes all bubbly and then slowly spreads out and disappears. It does panic a few people.
Alrighty, there you go. Less than 2 hours later and we're all done. We didn't have to do the back windows obviously because they're metal now. So,
Thank goodness.
made Anthony's job easy. Just having a quick clean up and then we're all good to go. So how long do I need to leave it before I can go opening windows and doing stuff like that?
You can open the tailgate of course, but front windows, just leave them up for 2 days. Only other thing people stuff up with their tint, they clean it with normal Windex and stuff like that, and that contains ammonia in it. And ammonia just eats away at the scratch resistant coating on the film. So they do make ammonia free glass cleaner. And that's what I'd recommend.
And most importantly, if somebody wants to get their Landcruiser or anything else tinted by you, where do they find you?
We're in Lonsdale, 28 Heath Street, or jump on Facebook, Instagram, all of that.
I'll throw all the details down below. So big thanks to the guys here. And Sean from Sure Shot Coffee, you suck, you haven't come. So we'll see you soon. Looks alright, he's redeemed himself. He's redeemed himself. Look, there he is, oi!
A little bit late, but never
This is
feeling
your
better.
25th appearance in a HoonTV video.
Not even wearing a work shirt.